and welcome to Alia's Style. Sure, you could sew a knot front top without a pattern, but if you want a polished professional finish, pattern making is the way to go. In this tutorial, I show you how to draft a clean and well-fitted pattern for a sleeveless knot front top step by step. I've also added essential details about the base pattern in the description box, so be sure to check that out before you start. Let's get started. Trace the base pattern and mark the desired length for your top. Draw the center line of the shoulder dot. Create a perpendicular line from this center to draw the transfer line. Draw the transfer line for the back armhole dart as well. Now you can design the neckline. Transfer both the shoulder and waist darts into the side. Fold along the center front and trace to create a full front pattern. Extend the bottom edge into a curved shape. Add extra length at the hem for the knot. This amount varies depending on whether the knot is in the front or tied back. Use guide points to refine the shape. Make sure the dart center is positioned 2 cm away from the bust point. Close the waist darts. Transfer the back armhole darts. Adjust the waistline as needed. Mark the final length of the back shoulder dart. Refine and finalize the armhole for both the front and back pieces. And that's it! Now you have a perfectly drafted pattern for a stylish knot front top. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you'd love to learn next. Happy pattern making, and I'll see you in the next video.